Today on Will It Tip Up, I'm going to be ice fishing in a snow blizzard. Via request, we're going to be finding out, will bacon tip up? And as usual, I have a control minnow within about 30 feet away. I've just got 2 little pieces of maple bacon, and we're about to rig those up on a treble hook. Let's drop them down. Set tip up top, and we're ready to go. Okay guys, on the control tip up with the minnow. Throughout the day, the control tip up had been going off. Haven't checked the bacon tip up in about an hour or so, so it's time to find out for the last time tonight. Will bacon tip up? He was ready too. It's looking bad for the bacon. Guys, we're about to find out. Bacon tip up now. Oh, weeds. Oh my. Still on there.
And there's weeds.
Yeah, weeds. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, really say that bacon is a bust. It will not tip up. You probably, if you had old bacon, sure, if you're really desperate, but I feel like if you're just going out straight up buying bacon, it is not going to be worth it to put bacon on a tip up versus, you know, big suckers, shiners, you know, shad, stuff like that, or even cut bait, or even a hot dog. A hot dog's better than nothing. Obviously, I have a video of that. You can check that out, but I'm gonna say it's not the best option. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The top comment of this video will decide what will be on the next Will It Tip Up. So don't forget to comment or like a comment that somebody has already put on there.